Peeps, check out the Go Care signature shine right here. This car just get a full polish and a ceramic coating, my piece. Right now the Markex is looking beautiful. Honestly, it look like it just make. To be honest, it look like it just make, my peeps. Just come out of the factory. That's how good it look, my peeps. Look at it. Look at the sheen right there. You want your car to look this shiny? Contact us. Contact the detailers. Go Care 3329754. We'll come to you and make your car look this shiny. Glass. Look at the sheen, my peeps. Glass. This Markex is now ready for the road. Nice and shiny like no other. This was an exterior detailing by the Go Care team. Let's go. We're now finishing up applying the tire dressing. Okay, let's go.